Hi guys, welcome to Virgin Mama, and today I'm going to share with you my daughter's secret to cover up grays, guys. Well, she performs sometimes, she sings opera, and one day she put these two together. This is activated charcoal and Jamaican black castor oil. And you could get this from a Food Lion store. They sell it there now. So if you have a Food Lion close to you, or you could go on Amazon. But I'm saying if you're close to a Food Lion, you could just go to their beauty section. It's right there. But anyway, so I saw she put it together, and then she used it to grow her lashes very long right now. This is very good to grow your eyelashes, guys, or your eyebrow, whatever. But I said, you know what? Because at the time it was like, getting a little gray here and there, and it comes in the front. I don't know why, but it does. So I said, let me just try it and see, because I don't like dyeing my hair, guys. So I tried it, and I'm like, oh my, this was like last year. So this is late in the game. So I just want to come in and show you guys how to put these two ingredients together. And this is wonderful because sometimes I will get like those crayon and put it on my hair, and it's like, okay, with all kind of chemical in there. But this actually, if you have like it's actually grow your hair, guys. This is very good for you. You reap all the benefit from these two ingredients. If you have bald spot, it will grow it back. It's just wonderful. So I just want to come in and share with these two natural hair dye. It's just a touch up. It will last for the day, but like I said, it's wonderful. So without further ado, let's put this together. So what I'm going to do at this time, I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of charcoal. This is activated charcoal, and you don't have to worry because this is not clay, so you can use a stainless steel spoon to take it out. And you could get this from your local health food store, or you could order it online. So either way. And charcoal is a little bit messy, so just work with it. Next, I'm going to put in a tablespoon of Jamaican black castor oil. Like I said, you could get this from Food Lion if you're close to a Food Lion store, or you could order it online. I'm going to put in 1, and Jamaican black castor oil is very, very, very good for you. My mother-in-law told me that her dad used to have her drink this, like in the summertime when they're going back to school, just for cleansing. So it's pretty good stuff. We didn't have to drink it, but growing up in Jamaica, I know this is what my mom uses in my hair all the time. So I'm just going to mix these two together, just gently mix it around. You want it to be like a paste, and you will not need to buy another those crayons that I have out there to cover your grays. This is it right here, guys. And this is a multi-purpose. You can see this consistency. I'm going to put a little bit more of castor oil, maybe another teaspoon of castor oil, and show you when I'm finished. So you want it to be this consistency, just like that. So I'm going to show you how to apply it. You could use a brush. I just use my finger and just apply it to my hair. You could use a toothbrush also and put it in, but I just use my finger. I find it very easy. Okay guys, it's kind of hard for me to kind of show you how to do it while I'm holding the camera, but let me see what can be done here. So this is some gray spot right here, so I'm just gonna use it to cover it up. You see it's covering it up, and just spread it out. Just put it where you see gray. Cover it up, spread it out, and I will just show you when I'm finished covering up my grays. Okay guys, so this is the touch up after I finish using the castor oil and the activated charcoal. Yes. But this is just my go-to right here, guys. So want to come in and share with you guys that you don't have to dye all the time. You could just put these two separate ingredients, you know, and for most part it's touch up a lot of it. So if you guys try this recipe, like this video, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.